Looking for the best pressure washers to tackle dirt, grime, and tough outdoor messes? In this video, we'll break down the top pressure washers based on power, performance, ease of use, and value for money, helping you find the perfect option for home cleaning, cars, patios, and more. Starting at number 1. 4500 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. The 4500 PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful and efficient cleaning solution designed for home use, featuring a 1600W motor that delivers strong water pressure and a high 2.8 GPM flow rate to tackle tough dirt, grease, and grime. Ideal for cleaning cars, driveways, patios, decks, fences, and outdoor furniture, it comes equipped with 4 interchangeable nozzles for different spray patterns and a foam cannon for deep, soap-based cleaning. Its electric design ensures quieter operation and low maintenance compared to gas models, while the compact build makes it easy to store and move. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, this green high-pressure washer offers reliable performance, convenience, and excellent value for everyday cleaning tasks. Number 2. DEWALT Electric Pressure Washer. The DEWALT DWPW2400 is a reliable corded electric cold water pressure washer that delivers up to 2,400 psi of pressure and about 1.1 GPM flow, making it great for tackling everyday outdoor cleaning tasks like washing cars, patios, decks, driveways, and outdoor furniture. It features an integrated soap tank for easy detergent use, onboard storage for the nozzles, hose, wand, and power cord to keep everything organized, and a 25 feet kink-resistant hose plus a 35-foot power cord for extended reach. Built on a sturdy frame with 10-inch pneumatic wheels, it's easy to move across rough surfaces, and the included set of multiple quick-connect nozzles, like turbo, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap tips, helps you adjust the spray for different cleaning jobs. The unit is CETA certified and backed by a 3-year limited warranty, offering durability and peace of mind for homeowners and job site use. Number 3. Joe SPX3000-RED. The Joe SPX3000-RED is a versatile and powerful electric pressure washer ideal for a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks, powered by a 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor that delivers up to 2,030 psi of pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for effective removal of dirt, grime, mildew, and stains from driveways, decks, patios, vehicles, boats and more. It features 5 quick connect spray nozzles for adjustable spray patterns from high-pressure jets to wide fan sprays, dual removable detergent tanks so you can easily switch between cleaning solutions, and a total stop system, TSS, that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged to save energy and extend pump life. The unit includes a 20 feet high-pressure hose, a 34-inch extension wand, a 35 feet GFCI protected power cord, onboard storage, and wheels for convenient use and mobility around your property, all backed by a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 4. Ryobi 1 Electric Pressure Washer. The Ryobi 1600 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer, model RY141612, is a lightweight and compact corded electric pressure washer that's ideal for everyday residential cleaning tasks like washing cars, patios, decks, grills, bikes, and outdoor furniture. It delivers up to 1,600 psi of pressure with a 1.2 GPM flow rate, powered by an efficient electric motor that balances performance with ease of use. The unit includes 3 quick connect nozzles, 15 degrees, soap, and turbo, to switch between focused high-pressure sprays and detergent application, and it features onboard storage for the hose, cord, and accessories to keep everything tidy. Its portable design and built-in handle make it easy to move and store, while the GFCI protected power cord enhances safety during operation. Number 5. Worx Hydroshot 20V Power. The Worx Hydroshot 20V Power Shear Portable Power Cleaner, WG620, is a lightweight cordless cleaning tool that delivers around 320 psi of pressure, about 5 times more than a garden hose, making it perfect for quick outdoor cleaning jobs like rinsing bikes, grills, patio furniture, windows, and vehicles without needing a traditional pressure washer setup. It runs off a 20V PowerShare 4.0 lithium-ion battery, included, that's compatible with other Worx 20V and 40V tools, offering double the runtime compared to smaller batteries and greater flexibility between jobs. The unit features a 5-in-1 adjustable nozzle for different spray patterns and draws water from virtually any fresh water source using the included 20-foot hose or a bottle adapter, so you can clean even when a spigot isn't nearby. Despite its compact, portable design, it's powerful enough for most routine cleaning around the home and outdoor gear. Just keep in mind it's made for moderate tasks rather than heavy-duty pressure washing.